That is Jakaya Monet Badon, and she is 2 years old, and she is about to read her shape book to her baby doll.
That's it.
Good job. Go to the first page.
Six.
Square.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is that one?
Triangle.
Triangle. What is that?
Heart.
Heart. Good job. What is that one?
One.
Yeah, star.
Center.
Yeah. And what about this one? Look, what about this? What is that?
Circle.
Circle. Great job. Now pick up your words book. This book right here. Try that one. Okay. Open that one.
Square.
Square. Good job.
Uh,
Heart. Great job. Star.
Star.
Good job.
Circle.
Circle.
Square.
Square.
Heart.
Heart. What about this one?
Triangle.
Triangle. Great job, Kaya.
Heart.
Good job. Okay, now get the other book.
Triangle. Heart.
Star.
Star.
Good job. Now get the other book. All right. What does that say?
T.
Say words.
Word.
Good job. Open the first page. This one. This is the first page, Kaya. There you go. Now,
Girl.
show mommy. Let me see it.
Girl.
Let mommy see. What is that? Show mommy.
Girl.
Move your hand.
Girl.
Oh, girl. Good job. And what is that one?
Boy.
Good job. Okay. What is that one?
Mommy.
What's the other one?
Dad.
Dad. Good job. Wait, this one. Okay.
Chuck.
Truck. Good job. What's the other one?
Ball.
Good job. What is that?
Chuck.
Yep. And what's the other one?
Shoe.
Shoes. Good job. And the last one? What is this one?
Head. Cars.
Flowers. And what are those?
Cat.
Kids, what they doing?
Cat.
Give a hug. Great job, baby. Do that one. Okay, what does that say?
Cars.
Colors.
Cookies.
Let's do colors. Okay, go to the first page. This one. Color is that? This one. What color is that?
Green. Purple.
What is that?
Orange.
What color?
Orange.
Good job. Orange. Turn it. Turn it. Color is that?
Cars.
Yellow.
No.
Good job. Yellow flower. Color is that? Okay.
Orange.